Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So basically this is not only about color variant. If you have any other name of the variant, then still you can display them as an individual product on your collection pages. So this video is specific for Berlin theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already created a lot of videos. So I will be adding the playlist in the description below, so you can go through it, and if you still don't find the relevant videos, then you can message me. I will create a new video, or maybe I will help you out in your store. So here on my screen you can see that I have multiple products so on this collection page, but only I can see a single color. So other colors are not displaying right here. For say example, I am going through this product. So here you can see that I have multiple colors right now, but only single color is displaying on my collection page. So how we can display all those colors on this collection page? So I will walk you through step by step. So you should go back to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have Berlin theme. If you have any other version, then still you can actually use this feature. It will be applied in that. So you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme, so that you should have a backup of original theme. Once you took the backup, then you should again click on these three dots and click on edit code. And here you can see that we have some folders and files. Now we are going to follow a documentation. So I have already given a link below in the description. So you need to download the code, and then you will be finding these files. So you should open document.txt, and inside of this file I have already given the clear steps which we are going to follow in this video. Now the first step is that you need to create a new snippet, color-variant. So let me copy this and go back here and click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, and then paste that name here, and then click on done. And in that way you will actually create an empty file. Again go back, and we have the second step, which is again we are creating another new snippet, which is color-product-card. So you should copy this, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste it, and then click on done. So in that way we have created two empty files. Now the third step is that go to sections, open man-collection-product-grid.liquid, and then search it. So let me go back here, and here you need to search, and you will see that we have man-collection-product-grid.liquid, and inside of this file we are going to search product-card. So let me copy this and go back here using Control F or maybe Command F. You need to press enter key, and then you will find out that it will be highlighted like this. So we are going to replace this with color-variant. So let me copy this color-variant, and firstly I'm going to remove it, and then you need to replace it with color-variant. All right, and then the final step is that you need to remove the div tag around. So let me show you how. So this is the render tag, and inside that is surrounded by this div tag. So let me remove the opening tag and also remove the closing tag. And now around this render we don't have any tag. So that's how you need to make it. And then you need to click on save, and we need to close this file, and again you need to now you need to paste the code in the inside of these empty files. So here I have already attached. You need to open color-variant.txt. So just copy this code and then go back here, open color-variant.liquid, paste that code here, click on save, and then you can close this file. Go back again, and here we have another file which is color-product-card.liquid. So you should copy this code also, go back here and find color-product-card.liquid, and inside of this file you need to paste that code and then click on save. All right, so once you saved the changes, then you can close this file, and let's see the preview. Now you can refresh this page. So here we go. Now you can see that we have all those colors displaying on this collection page, and this is looking more beautiful than before because we are providing all those options to our customers. So our customers can see multiple colors now. All right, so for example, I had already explained you that this was the hoodie which I was opening before. So now if you will be clicking on this red color, you will be redirected to the red color. And in the same way, if we are going to the white color, again we are coming to the white color. And you can also preview. So actually this is the quick view. So white color. So that's how you can actually implement the same feature into your store. If you are facing any issues or something, you can directly message me. I will definitely help you out in solving all these issues. So one more thing is that in the previous video I created a few more features. Let me show you what I did. So actually I created multiple sliders. Maybe if those are useful to you, you can also use it in your store. And this was one of the feature where I created a pricing table. Then I have created a videos slider. Actually this is the slider which is infinitely scrolling from right to left. Then we have product slider. This is also auto sliding and looping infinite. Then we have testimonials slider. Then we have images slider. So these are auto sliding actually. And then we have collection slider. So if any of these is useful for you, you can actually get the link from the description. So you can follow the video, and for free you can copy and paste the code, and then you can create this section and make your store more professional. All right, so if you have any new store to create, or maybe you have any new section to create, so definitely you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. I will be adding the contact details below in the description, so you can directly message me. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video, and you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. You can also join WhatsApp group, and if you want, you can join YouTube perks where I am giving free consultations, and there is a premium things which I provide there. So you can join that if you want. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.